Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. I think the title of this vlog is going to be the Eastbound Letdown. Um, we had planned to go down to the Eastbound Get Down show in Ormond Beach this weekend, and we didn't make it. Plans fell apart. It happens. You plan and you start setting things in order, and you go, this ain't gonna work. It was a 3-day event, and I couldn't make it to any of the 3 days. My best option had been Saturday, but unfortunately, things just didn't work out that way. And to add a cherry on top of the cake, the backup show for Sunday, which was going to be the Mandarin Athletic Association's car show, it's getting rained out for the second time. They just aren't meant to have that car show. It got rained out in December, and now it's getting rained out this weekend in January. So they're hoping to have it on January 25th now. But yeah, that's not going to work out for me either, because upcoming car shows, we're going to talk about that now. Next weekend, the 24th, I've got down at the Bay at Cedar Bay Baptist Church on Main Street in Jacksonville. And then I got Cruising for Jesus or something like that. Anyway, it's at the Journey Church in Yulee. So I got 2 shows on Saturday, and then on Sunday is Yulee Cars and Coffee Day. So it's at the same time as the Mandarin Athletic Association car show, so it's not going to work for me. So it's just kind of a letdown for the whole weekend for me. Of course, I'm still sick. I'm still, whatever this cold, flu, Rona, whatever it is, it's hanging on with both hands and all its teeth. It is not turning loose. I've had this almost 3 weeks now. No, 2.5 weeks. So anyway, it just is not turning loose. It's some bad stuff. But anyway, hopefully we'll be over it and ready to go full bore next weekend. Because that's really when everything starts to ramp up for the year. Well, it would actually have been this weekend with Eastbound Get Down launching into the rest of the year. But, so anyway, just wanted to give you guys a little vlog update about, what was going on. It wasn't that I didn't want to go. I wanted to go. I wanted to make it. I was going to make it to the show like I did last year. Just, best laid plans of mice and men kind of thing. So we'll go get them next weekend. And we'll see you guys out there at those car shows. And going forward, we're going to do our best to cover as many car shows as we can. But, weather and scheduling are going to be a problem. I think scheduling more than anything, because I looked at the daggum car show calendar, and it's getting ridiculous how many people want to have car shows. I'm a one-person operation most of the time, and I only have a helper when I go to big shows. And, most of the time I only have, one day a week, so, it's going to get to be an unmanageable real fast, I think. So, anyway, that's just personal problems and channel issues. Growing pains of a YouTube channel kind of thing. But, we'll go get them next week, and things will be better then. So, I'll see you guys out at the car show.